11 foods that burn belly fat, healthy foods that help you burn fat. Consuming foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and specific antioxidants could aid in facilitating weight loss. Additionally, certain beverages, such as coffee, possess properties that can enhance metabolism. Elevating your metabolism can contribute to shedding body fat. Yet, the majority of commercially available fat-burning supplements are either hazardous, inefficacious, or both. Thankfully, numerous natural foods and beverages have demonstrated the ability to raise metabolism and facilitate fat loss. Presented below are 11 nutritious foods that might aid in burning fat. 1. Fatty fish. Salmon, herring, sardines, mackerel, and similar fatty fish varieties are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, potentially aiding in body fat reduction. Additionally, fish provides a high-quality protein source, promoting enhanced satiety and potentially boosting metabolism. It's generally advised by most health organizations to consume 2 servings, 3 ounces each, of fatty fish weekly to reap these health advantages. 2. MCT Oil. Medium-chain triglycerides, MCT oil is derived from extracting MCTs from palm oil. Unlike the long-chain fatty acids prevalent in many foods, MCTs undergo a distinct metabolic process. Studies indicate that MCTs might elevate metabolic rate, decrease appetite, and aid in preserving muscle mass during weight loss. Research also suggests that integrating 1.5 to 2 tablespoon of MCT oil into your daily diet in lieu of other fats could enhance fat burning. It's advisable to begin with 1 teaspoon, TSP, and gradually escalate the dosage to mitigate potential digestive discomfort. 3. Coffee. Coffee stands as one of the most widely consumed beverages globally and serves as a notable source of caffeine, which could aid in fat burning. To harness caffeine's fat-burning advantages while mitigating possible side effects like restlessness or sleeplessness, it's advisable not to exceed 400 mg per day. This equates to approximately 4 to 5 cups of coffee, adjusting for its potency. Individuals vary in their sensitivity to caffeine, and some may need to regulate their intake accordingly. 4. Eggs. Despite the historical avoidance of egg yolks due to their cholesterol content, incorporating whole eggs into your diet could potentially aid in weight loss. They are notably rich in nutrients and boast a high protein content, which can help stave off hunger and prevent overeating. A 2017 study, for instance, demonstrated that a high-protein diet reduced hunger by 16% and increased daily fullness by 25%. Additionally, eggs may promote satiety through the increased calorie burning that accompanies protein digestion. Consuming up to 3 eggs per week may support fat burning while ensuring feelings of fullness and satisfaction. However, exceeding this amount has been linked to a higher risk of heart disease. 5. Green tea. Alongside its moderate caffeine content, green tea offers a rich source of epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, an antioxidant known to enhance fat burning and target abdominal fat loss. While studies indicate that consuming green tea may positively impact metabolism and reduce body fat, further research is needed to substantiate these assertions. Nevertheless, maintaining a daily intake of approximately 2 to 3 cups of green tea could potentially offer a range of health benefits. 6. Whey protein. Incorporating whey protein into your diet could aid in appetite suppression, primarily by triggering the release of fullness hormones like PYY and GLP-1. Additionally, whey protein seems to enhance fat burning and facilitate weight loss. Hence, opting for a whey protein shake as a convenient meal or snack choice may promote fat loss and potentially enhance your body composition. 7. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, a traditional folk remedy, offers health benefits supported by scientific evidence. Animal studies indicate that acetic acid, the main component of vinegar, could potentially enhance fat burning and diminish the accumulation of belly fat. Nevertheless, further human studies are required to validate these findings. To incorporate it into your routine, begin with 1 teaspoon diluted in water daily, gradually progressing to 1 tablespoon to reduce the risk of digestive discomfort. 8. Chili peppers. Chili peppers harbor potent antioxidants, among which capsaicin stands out. Introducing capsaicin into your diet could support achieving and sustaining a healthy weight by fostering feelings of fullness and curbing overindulgence. Incorporating chili peppers or powdered cayenne pepper into your meals a few times a week may be a flavorful way to reap these benefits. 9. Oolong Tea. Oolong tea is rich in polyphenol, compounds known for their potential to lower blood sugar levels and aid in weight management. Additionally, like other teas, oolong tea contains caffeine, which can contribute to weight and body fat reduction. Regular consumption of several cups of green tea, oolong tea, or a blend of both may support fat loss and offer other health benefits. However, it's important to note that much of the research on oolong tea and weight loss has been conducted on animals, necessitating further human studies for confirmation. 10. Full-fat Greek yogurt. Full-fat Greek yogurt boasts exceptional nutritional value. It serves as a rich source of protein, potassium, and calcium. Studies indicate that incorporating high-protein dairy products into your diet could enhance weight and fat loss. Consuming 2 servings of dairy, such as Greek yogurt, each day may offer numerous health advantages. However, it's advisable to opt for plain, full-fat Greek yogurt to maximize benefits. 11. Olive oil. Olive oil ranks among the healthiest fats available. Predominantly comprised of oleic acid, it has demonstrated beneficial effects on fat and body mass. To integrate olive oil into your daily eating habits, consider drizzling a few tablespoons over your salad or incorporating it into cooked dishes. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.